Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to scan QR code on Discord mobile. First, you have to launch your Discord application and you have to make sure that you're currently using the latest version of your Discord. Now, once you're here, you have to tap your profile and tap this gear icon here, or shall we say settings or user settings. Now, as you can see, there is an option, scan QR code. All you have to do is to tap this one, but you have to make sure that the code or the QR code on your desktop, computer, or other gadget is, of course, ready. So that all you have to do is to point the camera on that device, scan the QR code, and you will be automatically logged in to that device, or your Discord application or account will be logged into that device. An excellent way to rapidly join a server or add a friend in Discord is by scanning a QR code. It's a quick and simple way to communicate with others and it's gaining popularity. Discord has grown in popularity as a platform for gamers to collaborate and communicate with the popularity of mobile gaming. Scan the Discord QR code to get started, whether you're wanting to add a friend or join a new server. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.